Real estate is a dynamic field. It offers incredible opportunities. Setting goals is crucial for success. It provides direction and focus. Goals act like a roadmap. They guide your actions towards your desired destination. Without clear goals, you risk becoming lost in the vast real estate landscape. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly. You could miss out on incredible experiences. In real estate, setting goals is like plotting your course. It ensures you reach your desired outcomes. Whether you dream of closing a specific number of deals, building a thriving team, or achieving financial freedom, goals pave the way. They give you a target to aim for and a reason to stay motivated. Remember, success in real estate is not a matter of chance, but a result of focused effort and clear goals. In the competitive world of real estate, setting goals is not just an option, it's a necessity. It's your secret weapon to outperform competitors and achieve lasting success. Goals act as a driving force. They propel you forward, even when challenges arise. Think about it. When you set a goal, you create a clear vision of what you want to achieve. This vision becomes a source of motivation. It fuels your actions and helps you stay focused on your objectives. Without goals, it's easy to get sidetracked by distractions. Moreover, goals provide a benchmark for measuring your progress. They allow you to track your accomplishments and identify areas for improvement. This constant feedback loop is essential for growth and development. Embrace goal setting as your secret weapon. It will help you navigate the real estate landscape with purpose and precision. Setting effective goals is a skill. By following a structured approach, you can set yourself up for success. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, define your dreams. Start by identifying your aspirations. What do you ultimately want to achieve in real estate? Do you envision yourself as a top-producing agent, a successful investor, or a respected industry leader? Write down your dreams in detail. Next, set SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of setting a vague goal like increase sales, aim for something concrete, like close 12 deals in the next 6 months. Then break it down. Divide your larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate progress along the way. For example, if your goal is to close 12 deals in 6 months, aim to close 2 deals per month. Finally, write it down. Putting your goals on paper makes them more tangible and increases your commitment to achieving them. Create a visual representation of your goals, such as a vision board or a goal-setting journal. Section 4. Real-life success. The power of effective goal setting. Countless real estate professionals have transformed their careers through the power of effective goal setting. Take, for instance, Sarah, a new agent who was struggling to secure her first few listings. Feeling overwhelmed, she decided to implement a goal-setting strategy. Sarah set a SMART goal to list 2 properties within the next month. She broke down her goal into daily action steps, such as networking with potential clients and refining her listing presentations. By consistently working towards her goal, Sarah gained confidence and momentum. Within 3 weeks, she successfully listed not just 2, but 3 properties. Sarah's story exemplifies how setting clear, achievable goals can lead to tangible results. Section 5. Staying the course, perseverance, and flexibility in action. The journey toward achieving your real estate goals is not always linear. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. That's where perseverance and flexibility come in. Perseverance is about maintaining your commitment to your goals, even when faced with adversity. It's about staying focused on your vision and pushing through obstacles with determination. Remember that success is often the result of consistent effort over time. Flexibility, on the other hand, is about being adaptable and adjusting your approach when necessary. Real estate is a dynamic market, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. By being willing to pivot and try new strategies, you can overcome unforeseen challenges and stay on track towards your goals. Section 6. Embrace the transformative power of goal setting. Goal setting is not just about achieving specific outcomes. It's about personal and professional growth. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and unlocking your full potential. When you set goals, you step outside of your comfort zone and embrace new challenges. This journey of growth and self-discovery is where the true transformative power of goal setting lies. As you work towards your goals, you'll develop new skills, gain valuable experience, and build resilience. Embrace the journey, celebrate your accomplishments, and never stop setting your sights on new heights.